Exercise. Pass by value. Exercise objective. Create the pass by value exercise. At the end, we should observe the following. We're going to create the project pass by value. So click on File, New Project. Select Java and Java Application and click on Next. The project name is Pass by Value and the project location is Lesson 12. And click on Finish. Create a new class, so right-click on the name of the project, select New and Java Class. The class name is Pass by Value Test and the package is Test, and click on Finish. And let's modify the code. The package is Test, the class is Pass by Value Test, and we add a main method. We declare a variable x that is equal to 10 of type int. And we call a method, the method print, and we pass the variable x. We will define later this method. And we call another method named changeValue, and we're going to define later also this method. We pass the value of the variable x, and we print again the value of the variable x. And as we can see, no modifications occurred. We define the print. This is public static void and receives an argument of type int called arg. We print receive value, in this case the variable arg, and this method only prints the value that we receive. And the method changeValue receives an argument of type int called I. This method receives the value of the x variable and changes the value. In this case, I is equal to 200. And we close the method and we close the class. But as we can see, because we are passing just the value of the variable x, the method changeValue cannot modify the original value of the variable x. It only modifies the variable I, but when this method ends, the variable I is deleted and returns to the main method. So when it prints again the variable x, it prints again the value of 10. So the value of the variable x is not modified. So we execute the project, so right-click on the class and run file. And we can see that the received value is equal to 10, and again, there is no modification in the value. Received value is equal to 10. So when working with primitive types, there are no modifications to the original value when passing the primitive type value to a method. Exercise conclusion. With this exercise, we have put into practice the issue of passing parameters by value. As we saw, the primitive types only pass a copy of their value, and it's not possible to modify the original value from another method, only from the same method. In the next lesson, we will see the topic of passing parameters by reference.